In primetime news this evening, man's social media linked to attempted robbery video in St. James turns himself into cops. Gangster meetings. State minister seeks to clarify comment even as another minister pushes the idea. And mob murder. TVJNews explores the issue in a primetime news in focus report, Jungle Justice, mob killings in Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's package, the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, e-prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we are asking, in what ways can the 2022 JCDC Festival Song Dilemma be resolved? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.